Other category electors who were born after 2nd December 2004 and whose mothers and fathers' name are not registered in the 2005 voter list. So such electors are required to submit the 3 documents along with the enumeration form. One is for their self document, second is their mother document, and then father document. So overall, if the names of mother and father 2005 voter list, then other identification document for parent is not required from them. Such electors are required to submit only their self document along with the copy of the relevant extract of 2005 voter list and the enumeration form. So these are the mandate as per the general preparatory work. So we did, and we do the matching of the 2005 and then 2025 voter list. So in respect to whoever there, so with the current electoral roll we matched, and after that who were born before 1787 and whose number are matched. So total, if we see in the state, so out of who were born before 1987 and their name is there in the electoral list, these number in the state are 10,59,510. So we are doing the matching physically also on the ground. This exercise is still ongoing, not yet completed, but till time we found at least around 64% voters name is being matched in that voter list. So it will help these voters at least. So additional document they are need not to, they don't require in that way. So their extract and the self document and whatever mandatory part, it will be sufficient. So there are the in the list identification as prescribed. It is extracted, but you just focus on the from 1 to 11. The list is it is mandated in respect to as the document list come. They copied the Bihar extract, but these 11 documents are the general documents. So issued from the regular employee, pensioner, any central government, state government, PSU, any ID card certificate document issued in India by government, local authorities, bank, post offices, LIC, PSUs prior to 1st July 1987, birth certificate issued by competent authority, passport, matriculation or educational certificate issued by recognized board, in our case like EMBOS or other board like CBSE, ICSE also, universities, then PRC issued by competent state authority, forest rights certificate or the caste certificate for the OBC, SC, ST issued by competent authority, national register of citizen if exists. So then family register prepared by the state local authorities or any land house allotment certificate from the government. Then
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't take a no, remember once more.